Some of you have asked for an update on my knee replacement surgery, so I'm just here to give you the update. It's about 5:10 p.m. My surgery was at 9:15, 9:30 this morning. I think I got to my room around 1 o'clock or so after being in recovery, and while it did take us a little while to get my pain under control, I was really having some trouble for a while there. We managed it. I've had physical therapy already, and I am doing fine. I think I will survive this ordeal. I thought I'd show you a little bit. Twin City Orthopedic has done a great job. They have some surgery centers that have care suites in them, and I get to stay in the care suite overnight. And this is what my care suite looks like. So this is the room. It's actually a really great room. I had some friends send me some beautiful flowers. I'm so grateful. The bed, I have not touched the bed yet, but that's the room. And I'm just in this recliner, which is where I've been spending most of my time with my ice machine that is continuous ice flow and really does help a lot. Many of you have asked me what I plan to do about my hair. So I just wore this bucket hat, which I love, and I still have my IV in, but this is just how I've been. I came with my bucket hat, no wig. I did pack a headband wig and a hat wig, but I'll be honest with you guys. I was in so much pain, I couldn't even think about my hair. It really was not a concern of mine. I've actually sat in this room most of the time with my head like this. When I got into the prep room, they brought me one of those kind of paper netting caps that I put on when I put on the gown. When I came out of surgery, that was gone, and I was just laying in the bed with my head like this. I did talk to multiple nurses today about alopecia, about hair loss, about the concern, and every one of them assured me that they are thinking about a million other things. They see everything you can ever imagine. And what somebody has on their head just truly isn't something that they're thinking about or even really noticing. I know it's nerve-wracking, but all I can tell you is that if you ever have to be in a situation like this, anticipation is what's the worst, and you will get through it. And I'm happy to make more videos on the topic, but so far, so good. I go home tomorrow. And for those of you who've messaged and shared prayers and well wishes and experience and advice, I have appreciated every single message, every single comment, every single email, and I am taking it all to heart. I am taking some of your advice, and I just appreciate it. But all I can ask now is prayers that I'll get some sleep last night, because I got no sleep last night, and that recovery progresses as it should. See you guys soon.